You need to hear this if you're a tech enthusiast. Imagine trying to communicate with someone who speaks a different language. Computers face a similar challenge over the internet. Network protocols are the languages that computers use to talk to each other. They set the rules for how data is sent, received, and understood. Let's dive into the world of network protocols and discover how they make digital communication possible. The Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, or TCPIP, is the foundation of the internet. It dictates how data should be packetized, addressed, transmitted, routed, and received. TCPIP ensures that data sent from one computer reaches the correct destination and is reassembled in the right order. For example, when you stream a video, TCPIP ensures smooth delivery, even if some packets take different routes. Every device connected to the internet has a unique IP address, much like a postal address. Thanks to TCPIP, we can enjoy a seamless and interconnected digital world. It allows different types of devices to communicate regardless of their hardware and software differences. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP, and its secure version HTTPS power the World Wide Web. HTTP transfers web pages from servers to browsers, allowing us to view websites. HTTPS adds a layer of security, using encryption to protect data being transferred. This is crucial for websites handling sensitive information, like online banking. When you see a padlock icon in your browser's address bar, it means the website is using HTTPS. HTTP and HTTPS work with TCP/IP to deliver web content. This interaction happens in milliseconds, allowing us to browse the internet quickly and securely. These protocols are essential for accessing and sharing information on the web. The Domain Name System, or DNS, is often referred to as the Internet's phone book. It translates human-readable domain names like www.example.com into IP addresses that computers use. Without DNS, we would need to remember long strings of numbers to access websites. When you enter a URL, the DNS server looks up the domain name and finds the corresponding IP address. This process is called DNS resolution. DNS servers are distributed around the world, ensuring efficient handling of queries. If one DNS server is down, others can take over to provide the necessary information. DNS simplifies the way we access websites, making the internet more user-friendly. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP, is the protocol used for sending emails. It transfers messages from an email client to an email server, and then from one server to another. SMTP ensures that your email is delivered correctly, regardless of the sender's and recipient's email providers. It operates by breaking down the email into a series of commands and responses between the client and server. Once the email reaches the recipient's server, it waits in the inbox until retrieved using a protocol like IMAP or POP3. SMTP uses a process called store and forward to ensure delivery even if there are temporary issues. Without SMTP, sending emails across different email providers would be impossible. It provides a standardized way to ensure that messages are delivered accurately and efficiently. File Transfer Protocol, or FTP, is used to transfer files between computers over a network. It allows users to upload, download, and manage files on remote servers. FTP is commonly used for transferring large files, such as website content and software updates. Users connect to an FTP server using an FTP client to browse the server's directory structure. FTP supports both anonymous and authenticated access, depending on the server's settings. It supports resuming interrupted transfers, useful for large files. Despite the rise of more secure alternatives like SFTP and FTPS, FTP remains widely used due to its simplicity. It is an indispensable protocol for tasks that involve moving large amounts of data across networks. Network protocols are the unsung heroes of the digital age. They enable seamless communication between devices, allowing us to browse the web, send emails, and transfer files with ease. Each protocol has a specific role, creating a cohesive and efficient system for digital communication. Understanding these protocols helps us appreciate the complexity of the internet. They provide interoperability, standardization, security, and efficiency. In a world that relies increasingly on digital communication, the importance of network protocols cannot be overstated. They are the foundation upon which the digital world is built, crucial for the future of technology. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.